I am Johnny. I was born in Haiti, the mother of the land. Before I came in the US, I used to act back home. I started very young with some classmates, also with some children in our neighborhood. I would like to become a famous actor like Denzel Washington and even achieve a lot of things in the world. Even though as an immigrant it's not easy to pursue your dream in the US, as quoted, if you don't find a way, create one. From now on, I am ready to push the barriers which are on my way. I have already put God first. I'm on the tracks now. I am coming.
My name is Dave and I am from Haiti. I am 33 years old. Oh, sorry, 23. I work as a mechanic in my uncle's auto body shop in Haiti. When I was little, my dream was to be a mechanical engineer. Moving to the US will help me achieve my goals. However, things are not easy to do when you are an immigrant. As an immigrant, I have to plan everything, work hard. I think with patience, everything will be alright. And with God's will, anything can happen. Mm. And hopefully, I can open my own auto body shop.
My name is Patrice and I'm from Haiti. Most of my time is spent working. I work as many hours as I can to support my family. I'm proud to help them and make sure they have what they need. But this isn't my dream. I have other goals for myself. One goal right now is to take better care of my body and my health. It is important to me, even if I don't always have the time. I want to feel strong, have more energy, and be able to enjoy my life, not just work all the time.
Ah, monsieur, tu vois, comment ça fait vous?
La mouille une audition, ça va, n'est pas bon, mais tu vois, audition, quand ça plaque.
Ah, mon cher,
Bon,
ça, mon cher.
Bon, je mon cher. Là, c'est eux même sans qui va pas.
Ah, on connaît, tu vois, toi, connais?
Côté.
Non, maison bien, papa.
Oh,
Ah, mon cher, ah, mon cher.
composé.
Comment audition te passe?
Audition, bien normalement.
C'est vrai?
Oui.
J'ai ça.
Você me pode passar audition, papa?
Ah, mon cher, ça va être facile.
Tem um 1, 2, tem 15 mil na audition. Ei, o audition, mas você não vai passar não, mano.
Ah, mon cher, de où quoi, notre?
Oh,
Pas quoi ça?
Regarde côté de ça passe.
Oh,
Ouais,
monsieur.
Non,
Ça fait longtemps. Ça fait quelques jours depuis nous avons parlé du projet de qui j'en sais pas. On connaît tout bien, marché très bien. On connaît
C'est vu qu'on est classé pour nous. Não foi mesmo, não foi bem. Je me dis non, monsieur, comme nous connaissons déjà, dans mes maisons, mes leviers, je n'aime pas. L'important, c'est pour montrer nous comment lecture bon dans la vie. Ok? Nous sommes d'accord sur ça? Ok, d'accord. Thank you for watching.